Earlier this year, ZTE introduced the Nubia Flip 2 clamshell foldable to global markets. Now, the company appears to be gearing up for its successor. Fresh leaked renders showcase the upcoming Nubia Flip 3, along with an all-new book-style foldable. The Nubia Flip 3 renders reveal a large, edge-to-edge cover display, an upgrade from the smaller panel on the Flip 2. The images also show a dual-camera setup with two differently sized lens cutouts. As per the leaked renders, the clamshell foldable could be available in black or white color options. It also appears to have a total of 3 buttons, including the power and volume rockers, and a set of pogo pins. It sports a 6.9-inch Full HD Plus folding display and a 3-inch cover display. It is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 7300X chipset paired with a 4300 mAh battery. It carries a 50-megapixel primary rear camera and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.